Yes.
Hello everyone. Today I'm going to read out a story from this wonderful book, Disney Princess Carry Along Treasury. And the first story that I'm going to read out to you is Belle's New Friend. So the story is like this. So you can see Belle here, right? Okay, so let's see what happens here and how is she going to get a new friend. The first annual invention convention is in town, and Belle and her father, Maurice, are attending the event. Wow, exciting, isn't it? There was one invention that had everyone in the crowd oohing and eyeing. As Belle made her way over to the crowd, she was excited to find out that the first place inventor was a young girl. You see, this is the girl. The girl was about to demonstrate how her invention worked, and Belle volunteered to help. Good, right? "I'm Simone," she said. "What's your name?" "I'm Belle." Simone asked Belle to place a handful of leaves near the invention and to push a red button. So let's see what's going to happen if she pushes the red button. The machine started to whir and pressed the leaves into paper. Wow, exciting! "What should we do with all this paper?" Simone asked. "Write on it, of course," Belle exclaimed. You see, this is the paper that the machine printed out. Can you see this? So let's see what happens next. Are you excited? Okay. "Let's write a message that will make someone smile," said Belle. "That's an excellent idea," said Simone. They wrote a special note and delivered it to the florist in secret. You see, this is the florist and how happy he is. They delivered their next note to the bookseller and watched from the window as he smiled. So you can see the bookseller here, very happy. They delivered their last note to Maurice, who read the note aloud. "Smile, you are loved." Belle was so glad that the invention convention had added smiles to the townspeople's day and helped her make a wonderful new friend. See, Belle got a new friend, and not just this, the two girls made so many people happy that day. Isn't it wonderful? Yes. Thank you, and I'll see you soon with another story from this book. Till then, take care and stay safe.